Okay, calculating the trim. So this is an example problem. An officer of the watch recorded the following draft marks of the ship. Okay, that is draft forward port, that is 12.1 meters. Draft forward starboard, that is 12.9. Draft of port, that is 13.6. And draft of starboard is 14.4. No? So ganito, if this is your vessel, yeah, no. Actually, during draft surveys, you will get the draft for 6 points, no? Dito sa forward port side, forward starboard side, midship, port side, midship, starboard side, and also the port side and the starboard side. No? Okay, so dito, because we need only the trim and the mid draft is not needed for your trim, no? Okay, so we have 12.1 draft forward port or port side. This is 12.1 meters, no? And then the other side is 12.9 meters. And then here will be 13.6 meters. And here is 14.4 meters, no? Okay, so remember, no, for reporting to pilot, it is better not to get the average, no, or the mean. Kasi it's better to report the deeper draft para hindi magkamali, no? Okay, but for calculation, of course, you need to take the mean. That is the mean, no? Ano ibig sabihin ng mean? That is pwedeng average, no? Or gitna. And also, according to the solutions here, no, step 1 is to calculate the mean draft aft and the mean draft forward, no? So ibig sabihin, kukunin lang natin, we will need to take the average between these two and between these two also, no, sa aft. And this is forward. Okay, so pag sinabi mo kasing mean, we also have a mean draft, no? Mean draft. And mean draft is equal to the draft forward plus the draft aft divided by 2, no? Kaya huwag kayo malilito, no? Pag sinabi mong mean draft forward, you need only the average or the yes, the average between these two drafts, no? Port and starboard. But we are talking about mid draft, so that is your draft forward and draft aft. Okay, so the formula should be okay, the mean draft aft muna tayo. Aft is equal to draft aft port side plus draft aft starboard side over 2, which is, that is 13.6 plus 14.4 over 2 will be 13.6 plus 14.4, 28 divided by 2, that is 14, no? 14 points meters. So this will be your draft up or your mean draft up, no? And for the mean draft forward, okay, so draft forward port side plus draft forward starboard side divided by 2. So that is 12.1 meters plus 12.9 meters divided by 2. That is 12, 12.1, 25. 25 divided by 2, that is 12.5. Yan, no? So that will be your mean draft forward. Okay, so let's calculate the trim, no? Calculate the trim. Okay, so trim will be equal to drop off. Yan lagi ang format. Minus drop forward. Although pwede mo naman baliktarin yan, ano? Pwede naman drop forward minus drop off. Okay, so my reason for making that as your formula is like this, no? So, okay, so this is your drop off, which is, ano ba yung drop off natin? 14, no? 14.00 meters, and then drop forward is equal to 12.50 meters. Okay, so take the difference. Because if you remember the trim, no, trim is the difference between the draft forward and the draft off. So this will be your trim, which is 1.50 meters. And this is trimmed by the stern, no? Trimmed by the stern. Okay. So bakit siya trimmed by the stern? Because your draft off is larger, no? So yan ang number one indicator, no? Pagka mas malalim yung draft off, that is trimmed by the stern. Mas malalim yung forward, that is trimmed by the head. And also, if you are following this format, draft off minus draft forward, if the answer is positive, that is trimmed by the stern. Ano? Tandaan niyo yun, ha? If the answer is negative, of course, that is trimmed by the head. Okay, naintindihan ba? Any question? Okay, so pag sinabi mong trim by the stern, okay, so here, ha? So trim by the stern, okay, the draft off is larger than the forward draft, no? Greater than the forward draft. And you have a positive trim. So those are the indicators now. And for trim by the head, that is negative trim, and the forward draft is greater than the off draft, no? Okay, if the off draft is equal to the forward draft, that is called even kill, no? Even kill or EK. Okay, next is change of trim. Okay, if a weight is shifted longitudinally, a change of trim will occur, no? For example, dito, no? Pag sinabi mo longitudinal, if you remember kasi yung ating transverse, no? Okay, kung galing dito, papunta ka doon, that is transverse shift, di ba? Okay, so here, it is different. This one is, will involve trim, and also, this is longitudinal. Ibig sabihin, if this is your vessel, okay, meron kang cargo dito, or weight, and then you will shift it to forward, okay, so that is longitudinal. Okay, so example 1. A ship floats at draft forward of 10 meters and draft up of 10.3 meters. So kung nakita mo, 10 meters saka 10.3, mas malalim yung draft up. So this is trimmed by the stern, no? Okay, when a weight is shifted forward, ito, ganito, no? This is your weight to be shifted forward. Okay, so what will happen? Siyempre dito, tataas. Dito naman bababa. Okay, the final draft. Okay, so after shifting, the final draft is 11.2 meters draft forward and draft up is 11.4. No? So trim by the stern pa rin pero nabawasan. Ano? Kasi nga, yan. Umakyat dito kasi tinanggal mo yung weight. Okay, aakyat yan. And then dinagdag mo doon, so bibigat naman doon. Bababa. Ano? Okay, so what is the change of trim that has occurred? Okay, so for the solution, step 1 is to calculate the initial trim. So ano yung initial draft natin? That is draft off of 10.3 meters and then minus draft forward of 10 meters. None. So your initial trim is 0.30 meters by the stern. So bakit by the stern? Yun nga, mas mabigat, mas malalim yung draft off. And if you follow this format, draft off minus draft forward, that is, if your answer is positive, then positive is by the stern and negative is by the head. Okay, next is calculate the final trim. Okay, your draft up is 11.4 and your draft forward is 11.2. So subtract that again. So your answer is positive 0.20 meters. By the stern pa rin siya kasi mas malalim pa rin yung mas malalim pa rin yung draft up. And the result of your calculation following this format is positive. Okay, so kaya gawin yan yung format because if you would like to program someday, yan ang paraan na. Which is positive trim is by the stern. And then next is calculate the change of trim. The formula is change of trim is equal to final trim minus initial trim. So this is your final trim is 0.20 by the stern. That is positive. And your initial trim also is 0.30. That is by the stern. That is positive pa rin because that is by the stern. No? So positive 0.20 minus positive 0.30 is negative 0.1 meters. So dahil negative siya, that is by the head. And bakit by the head? Diba, nag-shifting tayo ng weight is coming from this part to forward. Siyempre, bibigat doon, aakyat doon sa off. That's why this is trimmed by the head. No? Pero if you follow this format, okay, so ganun pa rin. No? Positive is by the stern and negative is by the head. Mas madali, di ba? Without thinking. If you are going to use the calculator, para dun sa mga mahina ng mental calculation. Okay, so 0.2. That is 0.2. Positive siya, so there is no need to put any sign. Minus 0.3. That is negative 0.1, which is by the head. Ano? Okay, so next, we have this example number 2. So example number 2, a ship floats at the draft forward of 10 meters and draft up of 9.4 meters. So nakita mo yung draft, no? That is trimmed by the head kasi mas malalim yung 10 meters kaysa dun sa draft up of 9.4 meters. Okay, when a weight is shifted up, the final draft is, okay, draft forward is 9.6 and draft up is 9.8. So naging trimmed by the stern na. No? Okay, what is the change of trim that has occurred? So ganito siya, no? Nakasubsob yung iyong barko, no? And then you have a weight there to be shifted to the aft part. So mangyayari ngayon, aangat dito, tapos dito na may lulubog. Okay, so it's either na mabawasan yung trim or magiging trim by the stern. So depende, no? But surely the change of trim will be positive, no? Positive or by the stern. Kasi lilipat ko doon siyempre by the stern. No? Okay, so calculate the initial trim, that is draft off 9.4 meters minus draft forward 10 meters, that is your initial trim is negative 0.60 meters. That is by the head, di ba? Kasi mas malalim yung forward and negative. Kaya nga sabi ko, pagka sundin mo yung aking format na yan, that will give you, kahit hindi ka nag-iisip, pagkita mo, ay, negative yan, sigurado by the head. And then calculate the final trim, that is 9.8 minus 9.6, that is your final trim is 0.20 meters by the stern. Kasi mas malalim yung aft and positive. Then calculate the change of trim. Okay, so yung change of trim is final trim minus initial trim. So ang ating final trim is 0.2 meters by the stern. Okay, dito, no? Minus your initial trim, which is 0.6, negative 0.6 meters by the head, no? Okay, so ano mangyayari? Negative sa negative will be positive. And the change of trim will be 0.80 kasi positive yun, nag-add ka, no? Or minus and minus, that will become plus, no? Okay, so 0.2 plus 0.6 equals 0.8, that is by the stern, no? Okay, para makita. That is 0.2 minus 0.6 negative equals, nakita nyo, 0.8, that is positive, that is by the stern. And note now that the ship was initially trimmed by the head, and after shifting, it is now trimmed by the stern. Okay, so example 3, okay, a ship floats at draft forward of 10 meters and draft up of 9.4 meters. So pareho, no? Trimmed by the head. When a weight is shifted aft, ganun, no? The final drop forward is 9.7 meters and the final drop up is 9.7 meters also. So pareho, ano, yung drop mo, that is even keel, no? What is the change of trim that has occurred? Okay, first calculate the initial trim, that is 9.4 minus 10, that is negative 0.6, which is by the head. And then calculate the final trim, 9.7 meters minus 9.7, that is 0, neither positive or negative. And because 0, that is even keel, no? Even keel tawag dyan. Or EK. Although minsan hindi yan even keel, no? For example, no, your vessel is hugging. Exaggerated lang konti ito, no? Pero talagang minsan umabot ng malaki, ha? Hindi naman nababali kasi flexible yung bakal na ginamit. Nakita mo, no? Sakala yung draft mo dito is 10 meters. Dito naman draft mo is 10 meters. Pero dun sa gitna, ang draft mo is 9.5. 9.5, it means your vessel is hugging. Okay, so if your vessel is hugging, nakita mo doon sa dalawang gilid, that is even keel, pero actually the keel is not even, no? Kasi naka ano siya, nakabaluktot, no? Kaya nakita mo that mas mababaw yung draft doon sa gitna, no? Or sagging naman, pag sinabi mo ng sagging, so baliktad naman yun, no? That is your vessel. Okay, so medyo exaggerated lang yung aking pagkasagging. Nakita mo dito, let's say dito ay 7 meters. Doon sa kabila is 7 meters din, no? Even keel, no? Pero doon sa gitna, probably that is 7.5 meters, no? Mas malalim yung gitna kasi nakabaluktot ka pa ilalim, no? That's why yung even keel na tinatawag is not actually even keel, no? Sometimes. Unless na walang stress yung barko, then lahat ng reading mo is pare-pareho. Let's say 9.7 meters, all sides, 9.7 meters. Okay, so that is even keel, no? Saka yung even keel minsan, For example, yung draft off mo is let's say 9.6 at saka 9.5, 9.8 at saka 9.6, no? Yung average niya is 9.7, no? O sa nakita mo hindi pa rin siya even kill, no? Kasi nakatagilid siya. Pero yung reporting mo, because you need to take the mean, so that is 9.7, kaya naging even kill siya, pero actually hindi na. So this is only a term that is used to describe yung zero trim. Or if the draft up and draft forward is the same, at least yung mean, yung mean draft up and mean draft forward is the same. Okay, so note, the ship was initially trimmed by the head and after shifting, it is now even keel. Okay, hindi pa pala tayo tapos. Calculate the change of trim. So ang ating final trim, that is even keel. And then minus your initial trim, which is negative 0.6, which is by the head. Okay, so minus saka minus will become plus. So 0 plus 6 is 0.60 positive, which means it is by the stern. Kasi by the stern ito, kasi naglipat tayo ng, nakita mo, shifted aft, di ba? We are going to shift this aft. Okay, so ito'y aakyat, dito naman ay lulubog. No? Kaya makita mo yung action of yung trimming action will be by the stern. Let's try itong exercise. I will give you 10 minutes. Then, saka natin subukan. Okay, so let's try to answer. Okay, so, what is step 1? That is, nakita niyo, step 1 is to calculate the initial trim, di ba? Initial trim. So, initial trim is the draft off minus draft forward. That is your initial trim. Okay, so ano yung draft off natin? That is 9.4 meters, no? 9.40 meters minus 10 meters. That is equal to 0.60 meters. Negative. So that is by the stern, no? Ay, by the head. That is by the head, no? Okay, so next, draft, your final draft. Okay, draft off. That is equal to, okay, draft forward. Lagay ba natin format. And then this will be your final trim, which is, okay, so ang draft off natin, that is 9.7. Okay. 9.7 meters. Pareho dito kanina. 9.7 meters, no? So this is even keel, no? 0.00 meters. This is even keel. Okay, change of trim. Okay, the change of trim is, you have your final trim, which is 0.0. That is even keel. And then your initial trim. This is minus. Initial trim minus your initial trim, which is 0.6. That is negative by the head. Okay, so your change of trim is, okay, so negative saka negative, that is positive, so that is 0.60 by the stern. Di ba? Di ba pareho rin yata, di ba? Okay, so saan ang diferensya ng isa? Parang ganun din yung example natin, baka hindi ko na yata na-delete. Oo nga. The only difference is shifted forward, sabi niya, no? Okay, let's go to number 2. So, a ship floats draft forward 11.2 and draft up 11.8. So that is trimmed by the stern. When a weight is shifted forward, okay, so pwede i-drawing muna natin, ano? So, konti lang diferensya, no? Tapos, yung weight will be shifted forward. So, ibig sabihin, nandito siya, somewhere here, papunta siya doon, ano? So, makita mo dito, lalalim, dito naman, bababaw, no? Okay, so, and then your final draft will be 11.8 and 12.1. What is the change of trim that has occurred? Okay, ganun din, ano? Draft off, which is 11.80 meters. Okay, bakit 80? Pero pareho naman siya yung 8. Pareho naman 800. Pareho na. So, bakit? Because pagka may 0 kasi yan, that is understood na alam mo kagad that this is equal to 80 centimeters, di ba? 11 meters and 80 centimeters. Kaya laging ganyan ang, although minsan mayroong another 0, ano? 3 decimal. Pero normally, pagka-draft, that is supposed to be only 2 decimals. Pero, di ba sabi ko naman sa inyo, may pwedeng 1/2. So, let's say 11.805, no? Pwede rin yun, ano? Okay, and then draft forward. That is 11.20 meters. Your initial trim is equal to, okay, so 0.6 meters. That is trimmed by the stern, no? Kasi mas mabigat yung stern mo, kaya trimmed by the stern. And this one is positive, so alam mo na kaagad, no? By the stern. And then your final draft, okay, so draft off, that is 12.1. And then minus draft forward. So minus yun, ha? Para minus 11.8. And so your final trim is equal to 0, 11 minus 8, 3, carry 1, 2 minus 2, 0. Okay. So 0.30 meters. Okay, so this is by the stern, no? Yan, ha? So very easy kasi positive yung result, that is by the stern, hindi mo na isipin, no? Pero kung isipin mo, madali din naman dahil titignan mo mas malalim yung off, eh. So that is by the stern. Diba? However, dito kayo medyo nakakalito dito sa CO, sa change of trim, which is, okay, so you have your final trim, which is equal to, anong final, 0.30 by the stern. And there your initial trim, 0.60 positive, no? Ma-minus mo yan by the stern also. Okay, so here, your change of trim will be, okay, so positive 0.30 minus 0.60, that is negative 0.30. That is by the head. Okay, di ba? Dito madali kasi tignan mo lang yung mas malalim. Pero dito naman, hindi mo pwedeng tignan yung mas malalim dito. No? The indication here is, doon ka nag-shift kasi sa forward, kaya lalalim doon. No? Yan ang indication. That's why here, in this, it is better to use yung aking system, which is pag positive by the stern, and negative is by the head. Okay, so let's go to the next. Okay, so effect of shifting weight longitudinally. Okay, so this is para maintindihan nyo yung next natin, yung MCTC, which is moment to change stream by 1 centimeter. Okay, consider the ship below to be an even keel now and has a weight on deck on the forward part. Okay, so G here is the longitudinal center of gravity, that is LCG. If you remember yung ating sa transverse is BCG, di ba? Vertical center of gravity, which is the reference point is yung keel, di ba? Keel ang reference point, that is BCG. Pero yung LCG, ang reference point natin, and almost all calculations, no? Ang reference point natin is the aft perpendicular dito. If you remember yung aft perpendicular, no? Okay, so kahit yung LCF, LCG, so your reference point is ito siya, no? Yan. That is called LCG. And your reference point is aft perpendicular, which is, ang tawag dyan is FOWAP. Ano ba yung FOWAP, no? Ang ibig sabihin ng FOWAP, although meron din ako mamaya doon. Okay, so this is forward of aft perpendicular. Nakita mo, FOAP. Forward of aft perpendicular, kaya that is FOWAP, no? That is how they measure, no? Although I have read in one book, no, ang measurement actually is tatlong klase. It's either, this is of course the most common, yung aft perpendicular. Pero meron din mga books na nagpapaliwanag na yung measurement nila is from forward perpendicular. And meron din from amidship, which is later I will explain to you, especially sa LCF, no? Yung longitudinal center of flotation. Okay, so let me erase muna ito. So yan, normally dyan mini-measure natin sa FOWAP. And yung ating change of trim, later, pag pinag-aralan natin yung LCF, which is the longitudinal center of flotation, no? Yung ating change of trim kasi should be distributed, no? For example, yung LCF mo is at the amidship. For example lang at amidships, which is ang amidships is LBP over 2, if you remember, di ba? Describe ko na yan, no? Ngayon, yung change of trim mo, for example, ang change of trim mo is centimeters, no? Kasi dahil nandun sa amidship mo yung LCF, then hatiin mo lang ito, which is 10 centimeters and 10 centimeters. Tapos yung draft forward mo, and then draft off. Gagawin mo ngayon yan, ipa-plus mo to. Plus or minus, no? Okay, so normally plus dito. Minus yata. No? Basta plus or minus, no? Plus or minus 10 centimeters. Then plus or minus 10 centimeters. So itong dalawa na to, hinati mo lang doon galing doon sa change of trim, no? Ganyan ang application niya. So kung ipa-plus mo doon sa draft up, lulubog yon, lulutang naman dito that this is minus. Kung dito naman ay lulubog plus dito, tapos yung draft up mo naman is minus. Because the LCF, yun yung kanyang, doon siya nagkakaroon ng trimming. Kumbaga ito yung CISO, andyan ang LCF. Yeah. So ganun yan, ano? Later, pag-aralan natin yon. Which is, okay, kung ang LCF is at the midship, that is yung change of trim, i-divide mo lang by 2. No? Kung nasa midship, paano kung wala? Okay, so yun ang challenge mamaya. No? Although hindi naman talaga challenge kasi that is, napakadali naman. Very easy to understand. Okay, so as you can see here, no? Meron tayong center of buoyancy also, no? Which is called the longitudinal center of buoyancy. So ito naman ay ganun pa rin, ano? Measured pa rin from FOWAP. But sometimes it is also measured from amidship dito, no? Minsan dito naman sinukat yan. Depende sa hydrostatic table. Ganun din yung LCG, ganun din yung LCF. Sometimes it is measured from the amidship. Okay. Okay, if the weight is shifted along the deck, use the formula below where D is the longitudinal distance. Okay, so ang formula natin is G to G sub 1. Okay, so pag nag-shift ka ito, for example, dadalhin natin doon, which is on the other slide na lang, your G also will shift to the other side. Okay, so G to G sub 1, that is weight times distance divided by displacement. And remember that weight times distance is moment. Diba? Moment is equal to weight times distance. Okay, consider the rule in shifting. That is, the shift of the center of gravity will move parallel to and in the same direction as the shift of the weight. Okay, so nakita mo dito, no? This is your weight that is shifted off. Nakita mo, no? So, siyempre, meron siyang center of gravity doon sa gitna. Tapos, nilipat doon sa center of gravity, the new center of gravity dito, no? Okay, so it will follow your center of gravity of the vessel will follow, no? In parallel and in the same direction. So, nakita mo, this is G to G sub 1. Okay, this will cause the ship to trim to the stern until the center of buoyancy will move to the new center of buoyancy. So hihiwalay muna siya sa center of buoyancy bago when the vessel is already trimmed, then the center of buoyancy will also follow. No? Okay, so dahil nilipat natin yung weight, because of the shifting of the weight will cause trim to the vessel. No? And because there is trim, there is also theta, no? Or there is angle. And here, your M sub L is your longitudinal center of, or the longitudinal meta center. No? And GML dito, no? From the center of gravity, the original, the initial center of gravity, to the M sub L is your GM sub L, which is the longitudinal metacentric height. Later, may triangle tayo na form, di ba? Which is G to G sub 1 and also yung M sub L, which later I will explain. Okay, so let's go to the moment to change trim by 1 centimeter. MCTC. It is the trimming moment required to change the trim by 1 centimeter. No? Okay, so nakita mo dito, meron tayong tinatawag na trim. Okay, so let's assume that the trim will be only 1 centimeter. No? So meron tayong pre-computed, no? Which is the MCTC. Okay, balik tayo doon. Okay, so MCTC is tabulated in the ship's hydrostatic data or hydrostatic tables, no? And your entering argument is of course the draft. Each draft, tabulated draft, meron corresponding MCTC. Okay, it is used to obtain the change of trim when weights are shifted, loaded, or discharged. It is used in the draft survey for the calculation of the amount of cargo that is loaded or discharged to or from the vessel. Okay, the change of trim can be calculated using the formula. Okay, change of trim in centimeters is equal trimming moment divided by MCTC, which is to change the trim by 1 centimeter. Parang TPC, if you remember the TPC, no? So the TPC, ganoon din. That is yung corresponding weight naman, tons per centimeter immersion. Ano? So dito naman, moment to change trim by 1 centimeter. Okay, so trimming moment, remember that the moment is equal to weight times distance. So this one, your formula will become change of trim in centimeters is weight times distance divided by MCTC. Okay, so weight times distance is your trimming moment, or W is the weight shifted, and D is the longitudinal distance the weight is shifted. Okay, example 1. MCTC, example 1. Ano? Okay, a cargo on deck weighing 400 tons is shifted aft by a distance of 46 meters. If the MCTC for the current draft is 1,415.4 tons meter, calculate the final trim of the vessel if the initial trim was 0.25 meters by the stern. No? Okay, so here's the solution. Okay, so I have a rule here for shifting. It is better that we use positive for distance. And for shifting forward, that is negative for distance. No? Which will give you the result. Okay, positive 4 by the stern and negative 4 by the head. No? Okay, so let's lay out the formula. This is change of trim is equal to weight times distance over MCTC. So, okay, so we are going to shift 400 tons, 46 meters by aft. No? So by aft, that is positive. And divided by the MCTC. Okay, so let me show you the calculator. Okay, 400 times 46 positive divided by 1415.4 is equal to, okay, so nakita nyo, that is rounded off to 13.0 centimeters, no? Kasi dito, cancel natin to eh. Cancel. So wala siyang naiwan, which is, this is the formula, no? This is the change of trim in centimeter. No? Okay, so nakita natin, this is 13.0 centimeters by the stern. And then convert it to meters. Siyempre, madali lang naman i-convert to meters. That is just divided by 100, no? Pero nilagay ko lang dito solution para makita niyo. Okay, COT in meters is COT centimeters divided by 100 centimeters per meter, which is cancel mo yon, cancel. That is, your result will be meters, no? Dito pala yung cancel ko. No? Okay, so that is 0.13 meters. And because this is positive, that is by the stern, no? Okay, this is by the stern, no? And sa bagay, nandito lang sa baba. Okay, kasi by the stern doon, siyempre by the stern dito, no? Okay, so calculate the final trim, that is initial trim plus change of trim. Actually, this one is should be plus or minus. Kaya lang, because of this rule, there is no need to determine it if it is plus or minus. We will just use plus, no? Okay, so initial trim is 0.25 by the stern. So positive yan, no? By the stern. And then plus 0.13 by the stern also. Okay, so that is parehong positive. 0.25 plus 0.13 is 0.38 and that is by the stern also. No? Very easy, di ba? Okay, so next example, example number 2. Okay, a cargo on deck weighing 400 tons is shifted forward naman, no? So yung pagkakaiba nila, this is to be shifted forward. Kanina, to be shifted aft. Ito naman, shifted forward. By a distance of 46 meters then, if the MCTC for the current drop is the same, no? 1,415.4 tons meter, calculate the final trim of the vessel if the initial trim was 0.25 meters by the stern. Ano? So, ganyan pa rin ang rule natin. Okay, so lay out the formula, weight times distance of the MCTC. So, our weight is 400 tons. That is times, because we are shifting forward, that is negative 0.46 meters, divided by the MCTC, which is, will give you, okay, so nasolve na natin yan kanina. There is no need to show you the calculator, no? And because this is negative, of course, your answer will be negative. And because this is negative, that is by the head. And by the head, kasi ganito naman yan eh, no? Okay, so galing dito, you are going to shift it there forward. So dito naman lulubog. Doon naman lulutang naman doon. So your trim will be by the head. Okay, so convert it by meters. Okay, so by the head pa rin, that is 0.13 meters. And then calculate the final trim, that is initial trim plus change of trim. So initial trim natin is 0.25 meters by the stern plus 0.13 meters by the head, that is negative. Okay, so positive negative magiging negative, no? And your answer will be, okay, so negative, siyempre 0.25 minus 0.13, that is positive pa rin, 0.12 meters by the stern, no? Because it is positive. Di ba? Okay. That is your final trim, no? Yung, but your change of trim, of course, siyempre forward yun dahil you shift it forward, no? Pero yung final trim mo, yung change of trim is not enough to change your initial trim to going to by the head, no? So dito, final trim will still be, nabawasan lang siya, no? Will still be by the stern. Okay, example 3. So a cargo on deck weighing 400 tons is shifted forward pa rin by a distance of 46 meters. If the MCTC for the current drop is the same, no? 1415.4 tons meter, calculate the final trim of the vessel if the initial trim was 0.25 meters by the head. So dito naman nabaliktad by the head, no? So ibig sabihin, nakasubsob na yung barko mo, tapos isi-shift mo pa yung kargada doon, then your forward drop will be lower down or go deeper, and then your aft draft will go shallower, no? So makita mo, lalo kang susubsob doon, ano? Okay, so yung change of trim natin, the same, that is shifting forward is use negative distance. And your answer will be negative 13 then, no? By the head. Okay. So convert it to meters, 0.13, negative. Okay, final trim is equal to initial trim plus COT. Your initial trim is negative 0.25 because that is by the head, plus your change of trim, which is 0.13 negative. Okay, so negative and negative will be negative, and then negative and negative will be plus, no? So 25 plus 13, that is 0.38, and that is negative, no? Ngayon, kung nalilito ka sa ganon, that's why it's better to use your calculator, no? So 0.25 negative plus 0.13 negative equals, okay, so wala kang dito, no? That is negative 0.38, which is by the head. No? Okay, any question? Any question, no? So if you do not like to follow my, itong aking rule, shifting use positive and shifting off positive, shifting forward negative. Pwede rin naman yan, ano? Kasi ma-determine mo naman dito, no? That is 13 centimeters. Okay, so determine mo na lang na by the head. And then dito, bahala ka na lang mag-analyze, no? Okay, so kaya ko tinuturo yun dito because of yung programming, no? Para mas madali. Pakita mo na yung result eh. That is negative is by the head and positive is by the stern. Okay, so formula for MCTC. No? Okay, so MCTC, that is a moment to change stream by 1 centimeter, can be obtained from the hydrostatic data or hydrostatic tables, no? For every tabulated drops. It can be calculated by the formula. Ito ang formula niya mismo. No? MCTC is displacement times your longitudinal metacentric height and divided by 100 times your length between perpendicular. No? Bakit may 100 dito? That is to convert your length between perpendicular to centimeters. Kasi yung LBP mo is in meters. If you multiply it by 100, that will become centimeters. No? Kasi dito is moment to change stream by 1 centimeter. Okay, so i-derive din naman natin yan mamaya. No? Okay, so W here is the ship's displacement. And then GM sub L is the longitudinal metacentric height. LBP is the length between perpendiculars. Okay, the formula is derived from the triangle formed by the figure on the next slide, showing the longitudinal metacenter, the longitudinal center of gravity, and the new longitudinal center of gravity as the three corners of a right triangle, meaning M sub L, longitudinal metacenter, and then your G or LCG, and then your new G or the G sub 1. Nah? That is your new center, longitudinal center of gravity. Okay, so dito nakita mo, no? Because we have a trim. Okay, so nagkaroon din tayo ng theta, no? If this is your M sub L, okay, so nakita mo yung center of gravity will move parallel to the ship of weight. No? Tapos, ganun din yung center of buoyancy mo. Of course, it will go to B sub 1. Okay, so here meron tayong triangle form. That is, nakita mo doon sa metacenter, nandun yung angle or your theta. No? And this is your G and then this is your G sub 1. Ganyan ang direksyon of the movement of your center of gravity. And then, because of SOHCAHTOA, we can formulate a formula here. That is, okay, meron tayong opposite side which is G to G sub 1. And then meron tayong adjacent side which is GM sub L. No? Okay, so tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. That is G to G sub 1 over GM sub L. No? Okay, then ilipat natin sa kabila yan mamaya, no? And remember also that we have a formula for G to G sub 1, which is equal to weight times distance over displacement. Now, if we are going to combine the two formulas, nakita mo, no? Itong formula ng G to G sub 1, ipalit lang natin dito, no? Palit natin dito. Okay, so ano mangyari? So, okay, so if we merge the formula, then this is the result. Weight times distance, that is displacement times your GM sub L, no? Okay, so next, no? Di ba tayo tapos? So, until we derive the formula for MCTC. Okay, in the figure below, tangent theta is equal to the opposite side over adjacent, that is trim divided by LBP. Nakita mo, meron tayong angle dito. And this is your trim, di ba? This level is your, actually your draft forward. No? Although hindi lang siya ganun ka-accurate. No? And then this level is your draft off. And then, of course, the difference between them is the trim. So that is your opposite side. No? And then your length between perpendiculars, kasi the calculation will always be at the perpendiculars. No? So your LBP will be your adjacent side. Okay. So meron na tayong formula ulit. Dalawa na yun. Ano? Ito yung galing sa last previous slide. Ito na yan. This one. No? And this is this one. No? Okay, if the change of trim due to the shifted weight is exactly 1 centimeter, or exactly, ano, then your formula will be transformed. Tangent theta is equal to 1 centimeter divided by LBP times 100. Kasi nga 1 centimeter eh. So i-convert din natin yung LBP mo by 100. And then your tangent theta is equal to weight times distance divided by displacement times GM sub L. So remember that your trimming moment is that weight times distance is equal to moment, no? Pero nakalagay dito that is exactly 1 centimeter. So this will be your weight times distance, which is called MCTC, no? That will be the moment to change trim by 1 centimeter. Kaya yung formula mo will be transformed like this, no? Tangent theta will be MCTC over weight times GM sub L. And then keeping the formulas together, ganun din, ano? I-combine natin. We can cross multiply. So nakita mo, this is 1 over LBP times 100. O kaya pwede mong baliktarin yan, that is 100 times LBP. Pareho lang naman yan, ano? Is equal to MCTC divided by, weight times GML. Nakita mo, this is the formula, no? So hindi na natin in-include yung tangent. Hindi na natin in-include yung tangent dito because so that we can keep the formula together. No? Yan, no? And then transpose natin, that is length LBP times 100 times MCTC is equal to displacement times GM sub L. No? And then para makuha natin yung MCTC, okay, multiply both sides with 1 over LBP times 100. Ganun sa kabila, 1 over LBP times 100 or 100 times LBP, pero wala naman, ano? And then the result will be, syempre, MCTC. Okay, nakancel na natin yung LBP at saka yung 100. Nakancel na natin. MCTC now will be, okay, weight, displacement times GM sub L divided by 100 times LBP. Yan na. If you remember yung formula kanina, ito na yun. O ito. Okay, punta tayo doon para makita. No? Yan, no? MCTC now is displacement times GML or GM sub L divided by 100 times LBP. Yan, no? Displacement times GML divided by 100 times LBP. So yan, ganyan natin ma-derive yung formula for MCTC, no? Pero this is only to show you, no? Para kung tanungin ka, paano nakuha, that is, you can derive the formula, no? But of course, your MCTC is already tabulated, no? Meron na tayong hydrostatic tables. Okay, next is the longitudinal center of flotation, or LCF or F. Okay, so the LCF is located at the geometric center of the water plane area. Okay, so let's go back now. So the LCF. The LCF is at the geometric center of the water plane area. No? Okay, so for example, yung barko mo is barge. Okay, kung sakali ang barko mo is barge, yan. Yan, barko mo. No? Or your vessel is barge. Siyempre, ang kanyang, okay, so let's say dito yung kanyang water plane area, no? Okay, so pagka hinati mo yan, tinapyas mo yan, of course, that will be rectangular. Yeah? Walang kahirap-hirap yung water plane area mo kasi that is rectangular, no? Unless, unlike the ship shape, pag doon ang tubig, mas malapad. Pag dito ang tubig, mas maliit. Pag dito ang tubig, lalo mas maliit, di ba? Magkakaiba, no? Okay, pero doon sa box type, which is katulad ng barge, okay, so that is rectangular. And very easy to find the LCF. That is, uwitan mo lang doon. Just draw a line. Okay, so that will be the geometric center. Di ba? Nandiyan yung LCF. Okay, so okay, it is the point where the ship will trim either by the stern or by the head. Kaya nakita mo itong seesaw dito, no? Your LCF will be here at this point. Pag nga minove mo itong weight, of course, gagaan dito, bibigat doon. Kaya magkakaroon ng trim. Okay, so it is the point where the ship will trim either by the stern or by the head. Okay, the LCF is used for the calculation for distribution of the change of trim to the forward and aft draft. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, no, na pagka the LCF is at the amidships, then just divide it by 2. Yung COT, your change of trim. To be added and to be subtracted to the forward and aft draft. Pero dito sa pagka yung LCF is not at the amidships, then later I will show you paano. No? Okay, it is tabulated in the hydrostatic tables for every draft, and it changes position because the shape of the water plane area, ship shape, no, changes also for every draft. Kasi ship shape. Ship shape. Okay, the LCF is normally quoted in the hydrostatic tables as a distance forward of aft perpendicular, that is FOWAP, no? Forward of aft perpendicular. Or it is indicated by the positive and negative LCF in which it is a distance from amidships. Okay, remember yung amidships is LBP divided by 2, no? Okay, so negative LCF should be subtracted from the amidships and positive should be added. So that the result will still be a distance measured from the aft perpendicular FOWAP. Pero, of course, you need to watch also for instruction from the hydrostatic tables. Baka iba yung method doon. So, I'm not sure kasi, ano, that's why dinagdag ko to, what's your for instruction from the hydrostatic tables. Basahin mo kung ano yung instruction doon, yung nasundin, ano? Para sigurado, no? Pero normally, gano'n, pagka negative, should be subtracted from the amidships, which is LBP over 2. And yung positive will be added. Okay, so later I will explain to you, no? Okay, nakita mo, this is your LCF, no? So yan. If you're going to transfer this, katulad ito, going to transfer this there. This is your LCF. So nakita mo, dito yung this part will go up and this part will go down. Ayan. Okay, para maintindihan nyo, tanggalin ko muna ito, no? Yan, ha? Okay, so sabi ko kanina, that is measured from your FOWAP. Kaya kung ito yung, okay, this is your half perpendicular na. Ngayon, kung ang LCF mo nandito, okay, let's say this is your LCF. Tapos yung midship mo is somewhere here. Okay, remember that your LCF should be this one, no? Nandito banda yung LCF mo, no? F. This is your LCF. And this is measured forward of half perpendicular. FOWAP, no? Doon ang measurement. Kaya kung makita mo sa table yan, ganito, no? LCF, sometimes nandito sa tabi niya yung FOWAP. Sometimes wala pero understood. Nandun sa mga instruction, ano? Okay, for example, 5.0 draft, that is equal to LCF of, let's say, okay, so let's say 40 meters. And then let's say 5.1, 5.2, let's say this is lulubog, so lalaki. So, okay, let's say 4.1. Okay, so exaggerate na lang natin, 41. 41 meters. Equal yun, hindi minus. Okay, so let's say this is 42 meters. No? Dahil sabi ko nga, that is table. Okay, so lagyan natin ng table para understood. Okay, so this is your draft. This is your LCF. Yan, no? So that is the most common LCF, no? Pero, malilito ka, minsan may ganito, no? Okay, draft. LCF. Okay, let's say that that the LBP is 90 meters. Tapos ito yung barko mo. Makita mo dito sa LCF, instead of 40 meters is negative 5. Dito naman negative 4. Dito negative 3. O di ba nakakalito? Although these are the same, no? Ganito lang naman yan eh. That is, i-apply mo yan, LBP over 2, that is 90 over 2 is equal to 45 meters. Tapos i-apply mo ngayon yung LCF mo, that is negative 5. Okay, so makita mo, this is 40 meters. The same with the FOWAP. No? Yan. Kita mo? Para may idea na kayo, na? Para pag kayo na yung chiefmate doon, or even junior officer, no? Hindi ka magugulat. Paano mo i-apply? And as you can see, this is also measured. Okay, no? Nakita mo yung LBP kasi is length between perpendicular. Ito yung forward perpendicular mo. Okay, this is your forward perpendicular. Forward perpendicular. Hirap ko sa ilalim magsulat. Hindi makontrol. Okay, dito na lang. Forward perpendicular na. So, yung dalawang yan, that is, divide mo by ito, that is your amidship. Ito. Amidships. Kaya katulad nito, if your vessel is, yung LBP mo is 90 meters, siyempre yung midship mo is 45, di ba? Kaya ngayon, that yung ganitong system that is measured, ibig sabihin, measured from a midship, which is dito. This is negative 5. Kung nandito naman yung F mo, this is positive 5. So ngayon, this is negative 5, no? Kaya i-apply mo lang yun. That is, this is 45 meters. I-minus mo lang yung distance dito, then makukover mo pa rin yung distance from the off perpendicular, which is FOWAP. Sa LCF, because there are two types of LCF in your tables, na merong kang ganito, yung the FOWAP mismo, that is forward of off perpendicular, and also meron kayong measured from amidships, which is giving you negative and positive, no? But be careful also kasi baka hindi ko sure kasi kung meron ding negative dito sa kabila. Tapos dito naman ang positive. Bakit ganoon? Because probably that is measured from forward perpendicular. Kasi pag dito naman mineasure yan, papunta doon, then syempre dito naman ang kanyang negative at doon naman ang positive. Kaya huwag kayong malilito. Depende sa ating, basahin nyo yung hydrostatic nyo kung saan siya. Is that FOWAP or is that measured from the forward perpendicular? Kasi tatlo nga, di ba? Sabi ko kanina, nabasa ko sa libro. There are three calculations that can be done. It's either from the off perpendicular, the forward perpendicular, or from amidship. Amidships, which is LBP over 2. Okay, calculating the final draft when weight is shifted. Okay, so here, okay, the change of trim is apportioned to the forward and aft drafts. If the LCF is at amidships, the change of trim is distributed equally to the forward and aft drafts. That is, change of draft forward and aft is equal to change of trim divided by 2. Yan yung aking example kanina, no? Okay, if the LCF is forward of or aft of amidships, the change of draft is apportioned to the forward and aft drafts by, ito, no? Change of draft aft is equal to LCF FOWAP, no? Times change of trim divided by LBP, no? And then your change of draft forward will be change of trim minus change of draft aft. So this is your change of trim, no? Tapos yung theta mo ni dito, which is equal doon. And syempre equal din doon, ano? So kinuha lang natin sa gitna yun eh. And this will be your center of flotation. Okay. Then this one will be your change of draft, no? Dito change of draft din dito sa kabila. Okay. So that is tangent theta is equal to change of trim over LBP. Alam niyo na yung LBP dito, di ba? This is LBP. Mula dito hanggang doon, no? And then tangent theta is equal to change of draft over LCF FOWAP, no? So FOWAP galing dito, no? This will be your LCF. Yan. LCF. Okay, so meron tayong let's compare the two formulas. That is, okay, so may parehong tangent yon, pwede na natin tanggalin yon. And then your change of trim over LBP is equal to change of draft over LCF FOWAP, no? Tapos we can transform the formula. That is okay, so cross multiply natin. LBP, change of draft times LBP is equal to LCF FOWAP times change of trim, no? Tapos, okay, so multiply both sides by 1 over LBP. 1 over LBP. So, para makancel natin yung LBP dito, then you have your change of draft. It will be equal to the LCF FOWAP times change of trim divided by LBP. Okay, so meron ka ng formula, no? Ganun na-derive yun, ano? Naintindihan ba? Anyway, yung derivation naman, if you are not interested about the derivation, just memorize the formula, no? Okay, so here is an example. A ship is floating at draft forward of 8.5 meters and draft aft of 8.8 meters. LCF is at amidships. MCTC is 437.5 tons meter. Calculate the final draft if a weight of 100 tons is shifted forward to a distance of 70 meters. No? Okay, so ang formula natin is change of trim is weight times distance divided by MCTC. No? So 100 tons times 70 meters, that is divided by the MCTC. Okay, so sabi ko nga kanina, that is draft forward kung gusto mo. That is okay. Okay, shifted forward, that is negative, di ba? It will give you negative answer and that will be by the head. Pero kung hindi mo man malagyan ng negative yan, I will still accept that, you know, as long as you get this by the head. Yung akin lang kasi ay for the for easier identification, ano. Okay, for the change of draft, so ganito na, meron kang 16 centimeters by the head. Okay, so the change of draft will be, because your LCF is at amidships, then that is divided by 2. Okay, so 16 meters divided by 2, that is negative 8 centimeters. Okay, so dahil meron na tayong rule, this is always plus and this is always minus. No? So aft will always be plus, here it will be always minus. Although pwede mong i-analyze yan, ha? Kasi baka malito kayo, no? Pero sa akin kasi, dahil meron ka ng negative, that is negative. Okay, so plus negative, that will be 8.72. Kasi magiging minus na yan, di ba? That is 8.72 meters for aft. And then for forward, that is minus negative will be positive. So 8.58. Yan lang. Your final drop will be this one and this one. Ano lang kadali, no? This is actual application. Ginagawa talaga sa barko ito, ano? Kung nalilito kayo dito sa may sinasabi kong negative na to, okay, so you can take that out also, ano? Basta makuha mo yung 16 centimeters and then by the head. Okay. So, ganun na, no? At i-analyze mo na lang kung anong gagawin mo. Ano? Okay, so by the head yan. Yung sa akin kasi walang analysis eh. Basta nakita mo yung negative, automatic. I-analyze mo na lang that your aft draft ay yung change of trim mo will be by the head. Ibig sabihin, aangat dito, bababa doon. Kung aangat doon, so i-minus mo lang. I-minus mo yung ito. Yung walang negative ha. Oh. Tapos dito naman, dahil bababa, siyempre, lalalim yan, ipa-plus mo. No? Okay, so mag-analyze ka. Madali lang naman. Pero itong aking kasi, katawaran to. No? This is without analysis. Just apply yung negative mo. And then just add it here. Plus negative will become negative. Minus negative will become positive. Di ka na mag-isip, di ba? So, although, sabi ko nga kung nalilito ka sa ganyan, in that format, you can always go back to the theory which is to analyze. Okay, so kita mo, siyempre that is trimmed by the head. Yan, by the head, di ba? Pag by the head, bababa yung head mo and then aakyat naman yung stern mo. No? Okay, example number 2. A ship is floating at the draft forward of 8.5 meters and draft aft of 8.8 meters. LCF is 68 meters FOAP. Then LBP is 150 meters and MCTC is 437.5 tons meters. Calculate the final draft if a weight of 100 tons is shifted forward to a distance of 70 meters. So, ganun pa rin. Alam, that is, okay, so, 100 tons. Now, 100 tons times negative 70 meters. Sabi ko, pwede mo di gamitin yung aking rule, divided by your MCTC, which is 437.5 tons meters, is equal to that is 100 times 70 negative divided by 437.5 is equal to 16, no? That is by the head. Kasi nag-shift ka forward, kaya by the head, di ba? Kaya sabi ko, kahit hindi mo gamitin yung aking negative na yan, ano? This is only for programming. Okay, so meron kang 16. So, paano natin i-distribute yan? Paano natin i-apportionate? Okay, so let's go back to the formula na na-derive natin. This is change of draft is equal to LCF times change of trim divided by LBP. So, subukan natin kung tama na. So, change of draft is equal to LCF FOAP times change of trim over LBP. That is equal to, anong LCF natin? That is 68 meters times ang ating change of trim is 16, no? Negative 16. That is divided by your LBP, which is 150 meters. This is 16, this one is 16 centimeters rather, no? 16 centimeters. Kasi cancel na tayo doon. Okay. So dito, dahil cancel ka na rin, so what will remain will be centimeters, no? Okay, 68 times 16 negative divided by 150. Okay, nakita mo 7, no? That is minus 7. Minus 7 centimeters, no? Which is, that is 0.07 meters. Tapos yung ating this is change of draft aft, no? But for change of draft forward, that is equal to change of trim minus change of draft aft equals, okay, so that is negative 16 minus negative 7, that is plus, will be meters. Negative saka plus din, negative pa rin yun, that is negative 9 centimeters na. Mali pala ako. Hindi pala meters kundi centimeters na. So this is centimeters, and of course this is centimeters. So i-apply natin. This will be 0.09 meters, no? Negative. Okay, so dito laging plus, dito naman laging minus. No? That is this is negative. Negative. This is negative also, no? Okay, so as you can see, this will become negative. This will become minus. So ang sagot mo is 8.73, no? And then this one is 8 point, magiging positive na yan, that is 8.59. Which is, tingnan mo yung huli natin, this is 8.7 to 8.58 kasi ang LCF mo is nandun sa midship, no? Pero here, because the LCF is a little bit more to the aft part, that is 68 meters, kasi ang hati niyan is 75 meters, so mga 7 meters ang difference, no? So makita mo mayroon siyang difference, which is, this one is 8.73 and this one is 8.59. No? Di ba? Naintindihan ba? Hindi. Naintindihan ba?
Naintindihan naman, sir.
Okay, so anyway, kung hindi nyo maintindihan, just analyze with the drawing, no? Ganun pa rin, you are shifting to forward. Pag nag-shift ka forward, this will go down, the stern will go up. No? So, kaya dito magpa-plus ka dahil lulubog eh. This one naman, lulutang siya, so mag-minus ka. Di ba? Mas madali yun. Of course, it is always easier to go back to the figure. No? Okay, so wala na tayong time for this. I will discuss this next meeting siguro. No? Okay, so I will end this meeting. Thank you for listening and thank you for joining. I will see you again on.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you po, sir.
Okay.
Thank you po, sir.
Okay, so end ko na to.